So now let's see how we can work around with double exposure inside of guided edit mode. So in order to do that, you can see that I am in the expert mode currently. So what I'm going to do now is go to guided over here. And then I'm going to go around under fun edits, and this is where you see double exposure. So it says add a video within a photo to create a double exposure effect. So I'm just going to go around and click right here, and it says the guided edit works best in classic view right here. So I'm just going to go around and click on classic view if it is not already selected right here. So you can see that I'm just going to go around and click on next to switch it out, and it says play a video within a photo to create a cool double exposure effect. So I'm going to click next to started. So now it says click on graphics icon on the right panel to choose a photo category or add a media to use your own photo. So I'm just going to go around onto the graphics right here and utilize, let's say for example, a graphics that is already here. Like let's say for example, there's this cat right here. So let's just go around and add this out onto the video one track right here. So now it is asking me to add a media. So I'm just going to go to project panel, and here I already have a media. So let me just go around and drag it out over here on video to layer. So it says click on this. So let's just go around and zoom in, click on it, and then make sure that it matches the duration of the clip too. That is done as well. So let me just go around and click on next right here, and now I need to go around under applied effects right here. So once I do that, you can see that blend mode is an option right here. So now I need to go around, and here it says select lighten. So let's just go around and select out a lighten right here. So this is what you have. So you can see that this is here. Linear blend, lighten, there you go. So you can see that that is what you have right here. So now this is the effect that you have right here. So expand the blend mode right here, select out lighten, and you can also select out different modes, as you can see, like screen, like color dots right here. You can see like linear dots right here and so forth, and that is what you have. So let's just go around and select let's say for example screen right here, which seems to work better, and I'm going to click on next right here. So once you do that, you need to go around and go to exposure right here, and then it says apply the changes to the particular photo. So if I were to go around and change around the exposure right here, then you can see that that is what you have. Let me just go around, change around the contrast over here as well, and the brightness of the photo to be a bit darker right here, just like this. And then if I were to go around over here, this is the brightness. The contrast can be much more lower or bigger right here, and I can go around, increase out the blacks right here, and then you can see that I can make it much more darker, which makes the video much more visible right here. So if I were to go to exposure and so forth, I get more options. So I'm just going to go around and click on next, and then it says work around with the temperature to apply the video look different. So I'm just going to go around and select out the temperature as I like right here, just like this, and maybe work around with the tint over here as well, and click on next. And then we are all done. So if I were to press the play button right here, and you can see that under the cat image right here, you can see the double exposure where you see the person walking behind. So that is how you can create a double exposure effect by using the guided edit mode inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.